What can I do for today's video? Yeah, I know what. Yeah, that's it. It will be awesome.
Hi guys, it's Sana and you're watching Sana's. Okay, so let me quickly explain to you what today's video is about. Actually, the other day I was watching Met Gala. The red carpet live stream that Vogue put out on its YouTube channel, and this idea just came into my mind. I really liked this year's Met Gala. The theme was really, and I liked how the different people, different fashion designers came out with such unique ideas for the clothes and even the hair pieces. I really liked it. For the last years, I just followed the pictures and the photos they took from the celebrities afterwards the event ended. But this year I watched it as it was happening, and it really had a huge impact on me. Because, as you know, or maybe most of you don't know, because 98% of you guys that watch videos don't subscribe to me. Do it. Go subscribe right now. I've been recently graduated from my master's in inorganic chemistry, and here in science we like to combine art and science. It is our niche and our main goal. As you guys may know or may not know, the latter is really probable. What I basically do in my channel is I want to make a bridge, a link between art and science. The two seemingly impossible areas to be intertwined, and I want to do that. So please go share these videos with your friends, comment on the videos, and subscribe to be with me in this journey and see how I will make this vision of mine into a reality in the future. Yeah, so enough babbling. What is my idea for this video? As you may notice from the title of it, I thought to myself that what would be if I recreate, or just create different areas and categories of science into a makeup look. And that is exactly what we're going to do today. You see, I want to also make these makeup looks wearable for every day. When you go out or you go to university, you can wear these, and it is not that much exaggerated or the typical makeup looks you see on the internet, on YouTube or TikTok. I want it to be more wearable for university and stuff like this. So without further ado, let's go. For today's video, I'll show you guys my inspired makeup look by just one of the four main categories of science, and what can be possibly better than chemistry itself. So I basically went to Pinterest and made 4 mood boards for chemistry, biology, physics, and maths. Which you can see clearly here is my mood board for chemistry. I always thought that chemistry is like the muggle equivalent of potions, as we're basically potion makers in the lab. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm still waiting to receive my Hogwarts acceptance letter, though I'm 25 as I'm speaking right now. So for me, chemistry is always related to potions and magic in general, and the color of magic is purple for me. A purple sparkly makeup look is exactly what I'm doing here. When I'm doing my makeup, I need to concentrate, and that is exactly why I'm doing this voiceover. So I thought we could as well use our time wisely while you're here and watching me doing this makeup look. I can bring you back to Hogwarts. For today, I'm going to read some introductory paragraphs of the Advanced Potion Making book. Yes, the book that I have is the same book that is belonged to the Half-Blood Prince we all adore. The paragraphs are about alchemy and its history, then I would very much like to read for you the instructions to make a beautifying potion, as I thought this one would be the best fit for this video. So, shall we? Alchemy is an influential philosophical tradition whose practitioners have from antiquity claimed it to be the precursor to profound powers. The defining objectives of alchemy are varied but historically have typically included one or more of the following goals: creation of the fabled philosopher's stone, the ability to transform base metals into the noble metals, gold or silver, and development of an elixir of life which would confer youth and longevity. The word alchemy may derive from the Old French alchemy, which is from the medieval Latin alchemia, which is in turn from the Arabic alchemia. This term itself is derived from the ancient Greek chemein, or chemia, with the addition of the Arabic definite article al. The ancient Greek word may have been derived from a version of the Egyptian name for Egypt, which was itself based on the ancient Egyptian word kemet, black earth as opposed to desert sand. The word could also have originally derived from the Greek chemia, meaning mixture and referring to pharmaceutical chemistry. The etymology of the word is still open to question. Alchemists enjoyed prestige and support through the centuries, though not for the pursuit of those goals nor the mystic and philosophical speculation that dominates their literature. Rather, it was for their mundane contributions to the chemical industries of the day. I hope you guys like this video, and I would be very happy if you shared it with your friends and family, like it, subscribe to my channel, and I will soon upload the part 2, 3, and 4 for this series. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.